Hello and welcome back to another video. The weather recently has been miserable and so I haven't been able to film as much as I'd like. But I have got some footage, so here's some things I've been working on recently. Firstly, these beds needed a tidy. I slowly removed all the ivy and other weeds by hand, whilst trying not to damage all of the plants. I then went around with an edging tool to make the edge more defined. I also planted a couple of plants in this area. There was a large bush in this area that was dead, so I'm going to have to replace that with a big plant in the future. Next up was this path, previously just a muddy slope with a mat over it, but I wanted something more permanent. After removing some of the soil and building a rectangular frame, I laid down a layer of sand and some block paving. I then brushed some sharp sand over it to help lock it in place. The frame was later removed and the edges were concreted in, and after backfilling, this is what it looked like. There's still so much more to do in this area, but at least it's in a way more maintainable state. And that brings an end to this video. I should be able to film way more now, meaning the uploads will be more frequent. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.